Hey guys, and today I'm going to be trying to get another PB on my 3x3. Right now it's 1 minute 16 seconds, so I'll try to beat that today.
You started.
Oh, I'm scrambling it.
Oh. That's the scrambling.
So you guys can follow along. This is what it should look like when you're done scrambling. Okay, so I'm not going to use an inspection. Go.
When you're on the sauna, do you take your phone in there?
Sorry, guys. This is a pretty bad solve. I'm not going to beat my time. I already know I won't. This is a bad solve. Two 07. That was a pretty bad solve. Okay, so I was just gonna do one solve. I'll do some other solves soon. I'm gonna teach you guys some patterns also in this video. So the easiest one, checkerboard, there's two ways you can do it. You can do it like this without using the middle moves, like this. They both look the same. Or you can do it with the middle turns. I'll teach you how. Just do M2, this middle twice, E2, this middle twice, then turn the cube and do this middle twice. Then there is checkerboard. Okay, then I'll teach you another pattern that you can add on to this pattern. It's a dual pattern. So you can make checkerboard dot, checkerboard snake eye, checkerboard God's eye, and they're all the same pattern. It looks like this. Or you can call it Daisy. What? Okay. Bye, guys.